Hi, I'm Jen from the Silo Wireless Billing Department. I'm just here to give you a hand and explain some options for paying your bill with us. So your easiest option is to go to the portal. The portal is a new product that we have brought out recently that you can go in, you can make changes to your account, you can pay your bill using debit or credit, you can also view your bills, look at past ones as well. So that's definitely something that you want to sign up for if you haven't already done so. In order to do that, you can just simply go to portal.silowireless.com and then you would set up for a new user. The new user, you just click on the green button that says register now, and then you'd be able to go in there. You can create your username and password. Do keep in mind the password does have to be a little bit difficult. It does need to include a capital, a number, and a symbol somewhere in that password. So you do want to make it a little bit tougher just for security reasons. So when you're in the portal, you can also pay your bill. You can pay it using Visa, MasterCard, or debit, and you can set it up for automatic payments as well, which is a really nice option because you can fix and forget it when it comes to setting it up. Once it's set, we're still going to send you your invoice on the 15th of each month, and then it's going to automatically charge your credit card on the 1st of the following month. That's a really nice option to have with all the points now that all these credit cards are offering, so that you can gain your points just by simply paying your bill by the 1st. Another option that you have is pre-authorized payments. If you prefer to have it come directly out of your bank account, we can send you a form for that, and the form just needs to be sent back with a voided check, and then we can set you up, and it's that simple. Fix it and forget it, and then it'll just automatically come out of your bank account on the 1st of each month. So another option that you have is online payments. A lot of people like to do that. You go in and you go into your online banking. You can also go right into your branch if you prefer to see the tellers, or you can do it through telephone banking as well through your bank. So the online banking is what I'm going to give you a little bit of detail about. The online banking, when you go, you would set us up as Silo Wireless as a payee, and then you would need to have a minimum of 5 digits to your account number. Bank of Nova Scotia is the only special bank out there that needs 7. So keeping in mind, no matter what bank you're with, that you just would add zeros at the beginning of your account number if you needed to. So for example, if your account number is say 89 and you need to make that into 5 digits, you would just go 00089, and then that would be accepted at your bank. Banks are kind of picky that way, so you want to make sure you get the right account number. They're just going to refuse it and not send it on to us. Speaking of sending it on to us, do keep in mind as well that it can take 2 to 3 business days for an online payment to reach our office. So we are at the mercy when the banks send it to us. So if there's a weekend or a long weekend, sometimes we end up not getting them in time for your due date of the 1st. So make sure that you are sending that. If you are doing it online, just make sure to send it, I would say probably around the 27th or so, and that's going to ensure that it's getting onto your account by the 1st of the month. When you are sending your payment, please include that account number as mentioned with the 5 digits, whether it's online or whether it's through the bank. The account number you can find above the name and address, and again, make sure it's 5 digits when you send it through. It's really important to use that account number and not the statement number, just to make sure it's going to the right account. We wouldn't want to put it on someone else's account for you. You can also come in right into the office to pay your bill Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. at 19 Sage Court in Brantford. We're just off of Roy Boulevard, so the easiest way to find us is we're just behind Linden Park Mall, off of Roy Boulevard, and then as soon as you turn onto Sage Court, you will see us. Okay, and we're always here 8:30 to 5 in the billing department to take your payments or answer any questions that you have as well. Another option that's relatively new is e-transfers. So you can email your payment. If you want to send it e-transfer, just give the billing department a call and we can send you out some additional information on that. There's always the final option, which is if you are a fan of snail mail, you can send a check through the mail. It is an expensive way to pay your bill nowadays because you're paying for that check and you're paying for the stamp, but completely pop it in the mail and we will get that payment for you and get it applied to the account right away. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions at all in regards to your bill or billing, please feel free to give us a call right directly to the billing department at 519-449-5656. And if you press number 4, that'll get you right through to myself, Jen, or Karen. Hope to talk to you soon. Have a great day.